Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clone your voice ethically and safely in ElevenLabs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is simply go and tap open your ElevenLabs. Once you're in your ElevenLabs, you need to simply sign up for a paid version. So if you don't have a paid version, then you cannot basically perform all these functions. So get signed up and then go to your plans to get the paid one. Voice cloning requires a paid subscription to ElevenLabs, as free plans do not have access to this feature. Now, once you have purchased the paid plan, you need to prepare your voice samples, record a high quality audio of your voice, and for professional voice clone, you need to substantially amount the collection of your audio, ideally 30 minutes to 2 hours. Now you need to upload and verify your voice, like navigate to the professional voice cloning section. And after uploading, you need to verify your voice as well, ideally using the same equipment and tone as your original sample. Once this is done, use your voice clone ethically and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.